Hi there, it's Kurt with Kurt Tanner Motor Cars. This is our 1973 Mgb Roadster. Very, very rare color of black tulip with ochre or like this light beige tan interior, black top and top boot, 5-speed gearbox, which is fantastic in this car, wire wheels, and beautifully restored car with massive expense on mechanicals. So we bought this car up north in California, and it's one of those very few cars that was painted this very dark purple. It's actually a lot darker in person than it shows up on the screen here, but really attractive, really rare color of black tulip with a light beige interior, very striking. And this car is just a super good, well-preserved gem in excellent cosmetic condition, but really fabulous mechanical condition. Over the holidays, this car was driven all over Southern California reliably and enjoyed during the Christmas season. But super, super good, mechanically rebuilt, wonderful, well-preserved 1973 Mgb in this this really exquisite, rare color of black tulip. Just taking another slow walk around. Really nice paint, great chrome. Just a lovely, lovely turnkey, honest, super good California example. Wire wheeled, fitted 5-speed, upgraded disc brakes, upgraded calipers, pads, all that. So we bought it, I believe, from the second owner, and he was going on about how fastidious the original owner was, who had the 5-speed gearbox fitted, and just, you know, how picky he was on the condition of his Mgb, and it definitely shows here. So really lovely gaps, really lovely paint finish, just everything about it. It's just beautifully finished. Nice car, runs and drives great. As you can see here, the windshield's in basically new condition. Nice lower rubber in pretty good shape. Great wheel and tire set, real nice aggressive radials with plenty of tread left. You can see the grille, the chrome, the bumpers, lights, everything's just wonderful condition. Have a look at the undercarriage photos, because you'll see how honest and well preserved this car is. Really a quite nice color scheme. This is called ochre color interior. Really beautiful dash. I think it's got a dash cap. Yeah, it is wearing a dash cap, but visors are in great shape. Dash is in nice shape. It's fitted with a sport steering wheel. Mileage shows 69,109, but that mechanically the car's been completely rebuilt. Black carpet sets trimmed in beige, which is really sharp. And then you have our original looking ochre color seats. Couple small blems on the original driver's covers there, but you know, really lovely overall. Top is excellent. It's a new Robbins. This is the original top boot fitted, which is in fabulous shape. Doors just click shut on this one. No drama. So back here we've got a trunk full of spares. Looks like the original air cleaners, the original smog equipment that is now deleted because it doesn't need to be smogged anymore. Beautiful original tonneau cover, stirrups. I think there's a jack in the bag there. All beautifully painted in here, the original color. Let's take a look at this car's engine compartment. So under here, extensively rebuilt. You can see, VR1 2050 oil. Looks like it's got a recent cylinder head rebuild, and carbs have been gone through, K&N cleaners. This car's fitted with cruise control. We haven't tested it, but lots of cool upgrades on this one. Electronic ignition. You can see here it's just beautifully preserved throughout with a super clean, original looking engine compartment. Really honest, lovely car. Aluminum valve cover. Yeah, check me out driving this car with the driving video. Super good running, driving, shifting, braking. You can just drive this car fast and confidently. It's very well tuned. It starts easy, goes great, no mechanical problems at all, and just in wonderful, wonderful overall cosmetic condition. This is our 1973 Mgb Roadster, finished in this ultra rare color scheme of black tulip with ochre colored interior, black top boot, 5-speed, fantastic 5-speed gearbox, wire wheels, super good, well-preserved California car showing 69,000 miles, recent extensive mechanical upgrades, and this one's for sale right now on our website, www.kurttannermotorcars.com.